But here's the terrifying twist. The file wasn't leaked, it was deliberately placed. Our research suggests this isn't about giving you time travel. It's an information warfare tool designed by an unseen force to flood the future with pre-programmed chaos. The code might not move you, but it can move influence. Every line of this code is a hidden message. It's the ultimate proof that the most advanced technology is always used for the most ancient form of power. Control. Don't be fooled by the time travel headline. The real secret is, someone already knows what you're doing tomorrow. Like this video and drop a comment. Do you think this code is real, or just the deepest fake ever created? Stay skeptical.